We track storms to alert you first. This is KIMT Storm Team 3, weather coverage you can count on.
KIMT Storm Team 3 Chief Meteorologist Aaron White joining us now. And Aaron, are you still tracking some storms for this evening?
Yeah, definitely so. We're going to see those storms building in. I would say more so after about 8, 9 o'clock into the area and continuing into at least part of tonight. But those storms are going to clear out of here for the weekend as we are looking at some nicer weather and more comfortable conditions across the board. Right now, though, it is very warm out there in Mason City. We got 86 degrees this hour. Also kind of on the humid side with those dew points into the upper 60s and lower 70s even. We got 82 degrees now in downtown Rochester, seeing a fair amount of sunshine, so making way for a rather comfortable evening for the most part until we get towards the later evening hours. That's when we're going to start to see some of those thunderstorms building in for Rochester closer towards the 10, 11 o'clock hour, but areas further to the west going to be a little bit sooner. We'll see that here in Sky Tracker 3 in just a moment. Temperature staying warm though, and then starting off in the upper 60s for tomorrow morning. Partly cloudy sky, but we should see a fair amount of sunshine as we go through the day on your Saturday. So here's how things are setting up right now. We got a little bit of cloud cover coming in from the west. More of the cloud cover confined to areas in southwestern Minnesota, northwest Iowa, and that's where we are seeing the active weather at the moment. No severe thunderstorm warnings in play for now, but this area in pink, all these counties here, that is a severe thunderstorm watch that's in effect through the evening hours for southwest Minnesota, including Mankato over towards Marshall, Spencer, Iowa, already seeing some thunderstorms there. These are going to be tracking to the north and east, and as that line continues to develop, that's where we're going to be watching for that potential. It's not, it's not for certain that we're going to see severe weather, but it is possible that some of these storms could produce some larger hail, damaging wind gusts, even a few tornadoes cannot be ruled out, in addition to some heavier rainfall. So what's going on? We have this area of low pressure there across the Dakotas, that trailing cold front, that's what's kicking off these thunderstorms, and as that continues to advance to the east, that whole line is going to make its way through southern Minnesota and north Iowa later on this evening. Now, the overall severe potential does start to diminish the further east you go. This has actually been trimmed back a little bit, and overall, I think the higher likelihood that we see any severe weather is going to be along and west of Interstate 35. It's possible that we could see a few stronger storms, some gustier winds east of there, but I think the more likely case is going to be for the storms where they are right now to be severe for the next few hours, and then things start to diminish in intensity later on this evening, more so after sunset. So we'll see that here on Sky Tracker 3 now. Looking at some clouds building in from the west. Here's that line of thunderstorms approaching Interstate 35 right around 9 o'clock. Owatonna, Alverly, back towards the Fairmont area, Blue Earth, Algona, Forest City, seeing that line building in, and that's going to continue to track to the east, but notice how it tries to kind of fall apart, and there are indications that that could actually happen, so we'll have to closely monitor that. But if it doesn't, we could still see some strong storms building into Rochester around 11, Austin, Mason City, Osage, continuing to build through and move out of the area as we get towards about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, setting us up for a rather nice day, rather comfortable conditions coming in for Saturday with temperatures only in the middle 70s. So we got some nice weather to enjoy after these storms clear on out of here, but they could bring some decent rainfall. Anywhere from a ½ inch to maybe 1 inch of rainfall is a possibility for many locations that we see those thunderstorms building through. And if we don't see much rain, well, we got more chances of rain in the forecast as we head into Sunday night and Monday morning. But thunderstorms are likely tonight, 65 degrees. For tomorrow, a beautiful day, a few clouds, 76, and your 7-day forecast where the weekend is always in view. Most of the weekend looking dry, but we got that chance of storms coming in for Sunday night, Monday morning. And I want to point out Saturday night, 50 degrees. It's going to feel pretty good.
That's going to be nice for camping.
Yeah, nice and refreshing. We need that.
Yeah, we do.
Especially after today.
Yeah, I'm ready for a change, please. All right. Thanks, Aaron.
You bet.